unsealed divorce case is putting more pressure on the prosecutors leading the election interference case against President Trump and others in the state of Georgia. We've been following this one closely. You have District Attorney Fani Willis being accused of having an affair with the special prosecutor that she hired on for the case. Elizabeth Pran spoke to legal experts about what this latest development means, and she joins us live from Atlanta. Hey, Elizabeth.
Hey, Markie. Yeah, so she is spared. There's a reprieve. The judge overseeing put a hold on her deposition. It was supposed to happen today. That was going to be in regards to details about her alleged inappropriate relationship with one of her special prosecutors, Nathan Wade. The judge says he wants to hear from Wade first. So does she get a reprieve? Yes. Is she still under the microscope? That would be an understatement. There are a number of ways that she could either step down or be removed, rather. It's important to remember that Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee does have the power to remove Willis, so that is still on the table. There's a newly created oversight committee in Georgia that could, in theory, expel her. Another theory, she could recuse herself. And lastly, Georgia state lawmakers could move to impeach her. Now, albeit that is unlikely, it's important for our viewers to know that these are just options that are on the table. So we know from court documents that Wade did buy plane tickets for Willis and himself at least twice. So we spoke to a high-profile divorce attorney who says if Wade does provide enough information in the divorce proceedings, we most likely will not hear from her and there will be a settlement. Here is what he said.
It was in the judge's discretion, but I think it's the right ruling. You know, if the question is, did this gentleman spend money, marital money, or earn money that he didn't disclose? And did he have an extramarital relationship? First, let's ask him. Because if he comes clean and says, I did this, and this, and that's everything the wife wants to know, then there's no reason to subpoena or further investigate the other person.
Markie, there is just immense public interest in this case, but that may distract from obviously the investigation into former President Trump and the racketeering case. But I think it's important for our viewers to understand that these are two separate cases. So we are still seeing, on the other hand, grand jury charges against former President Trump and more than a dozen other co-defendants, and that hearing is supposed to take place in August. Markie, back to you.
We'll be talking more about this very story with our panel later on in the show and where it should head from here. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.